Hello everyone, it's your boy Rickodebest, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on this MSI Z490 A Pro motherboard. It's an Intel board. So inside the box we have the motherboard, and I'm gonna just gently take it out. And inside the box here we have two SATA cable. We have the back plate for the motherboard. We get CD, and let's take everything out. We get some screw because this motherboard is capable of using M.2 SATA solid state drive. We have a MSI decal where you could stick on your case. That's pretty nice. Looks premium too, so that's nice by MSI. We have some thank you from MSI and to register your product, to join their reward program, case standoff notification, and we have the quick installation guide for this motherboard. Don't think this gonna tells you anything about the specification, so you'd have to refer to the website if you need more information on that. There's the bag right there, and then the motherboard right on top. So let me turn around this motherboard, and I'm gonna start with the back part of it. So on the back part of the board here we have this PS2 connection. It works for your mouse or keyboard. Two USB ports, 2.0. We have two 3.0 ports, your internet port. We have a USB type C and also another USB port above that, and we have one display port and one HDMI. Then we have all your audio ports in and out, and the list goes on. So looking on this motherboard is nice design from MSI, and looking on it I see 6 SATA ports. So we have 4 here and 2 here. So we have 2 PCI slots, and they are the Gen 3. Then we have 3 PCIe slots. So the 2 for the video card is the PCIe X16, and we have 4 slots for memory, and this motherboard can take up to 128 gig max, and the speed of the memory, I believe they start at 2133 all the way up to 5000 with overclocks. So I guess you'd have to get to memory that support overclock. In order to do that, we see we have the M.2 slot, and it also comes with a M.2 shield, and it helps with the heat. We also have another M.2 just below that, so you could run 2 of them, which is pretty nice. Okay, so we have 8 pin for the CPU and also 4 pin for the CPU, and then we have the main power from the power supply there. Right beside that we have 4 LED lights that tells you boot, VGA, DRAM and CPU. I believe if there is an error, it will tell you that. This motherboard socket is the LGA 1200, so that's the latest socket now available. So you could use any processor from Celeron to i9. Once it is the LGA 1200 socket, you shouldn't have any problems. So I am going to be putting a link down below in the description. So if you're interested in purchasing this motherboard, you could pick it up on Amazon. I think I paid like $150 or $160 for it, but the link's gonna be below in the description. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, like and comment and share it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Also guys, I'm gonna be doing a time lapse and putting this motherboard in the case, so stay tuned for that. You'll get that video there, so make sure you watch it. If you have any question, feel free to comment and I'll try and answer them. Thank you.